Hello, my name is Alyssa and I am a customer success manager here at Indio. And today we are going to go through schedule workbooks and adding them to a submission. So what you'll notice here is that I have already created a test submission and I am inside of that submission ready to add my schedule workbooks. These are going to help you handle exposure data such as driver's list, vehicle list, statement of values, any kind of data points that were typically handled via an Excel document, but now you can handle through Indio, which will give you a more advanced functionality and better client experience. So once I have found my client, created my submission, I can go ahead and select Add Workbook. When I do this, it gives me a few different options. I can either start with a blank workbook, I can import schedules from Epic, or I can import an existing file. So for the purpose of the training today, I will go ahead and import schedules from Epic. Here I have the ability to select the policies in which I would like to import schedules from. So I'll select my business auto here and continue. You'll notice that these are the schedules that are able to be imported. For the purpose of the training today, I will just import over vehicles and drivers. Now you'll see that they are added to my schedule workbooks. When I go into a specific workbook, you'll notice a few different things. Not every single column contains data that is being pulled through at this time. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is come to the column section in the top right-hand corner and select Hide All, Show Data. Now you'll notice that some of these columns have blue dots next to them. What that means is that this is a hidden column that currently contains data. So all of these will be toggled on when you select Show Data, and they'll all be exposed here for your insureds to see when they log into their portal. One thing to note is that this is a simple list of exposures, not necessarily an Excel document. Keep that in mind, as you cannot create any formulas within the cells. The next thing that you can do is in the top right-hand corner, you can add a note for your insured to be able to see when they log in on their end. In this case, when I say, "Hi, insured, please follow these instructions." When I save this note and my insured logs in, it will pop up as a big yellow tab on the top of their schedule workbook, so it's hard for them to miss. I'm going to go back here. What you'll also notice here is that you have the ability to say who this schedule workbook is being shared with. You can view the note that you added to this schedule workbook. And when your insured does go in and make any changes, this will change here saying changes made and will be yellow. Once those changes have been made, if you would like to view them, instead of pulling up two different documents side by side and trying to figure out where the differences are and the changes that were made, you can go here to where it says View Changes. And you'll be able to see each schedule workbook along with the changes that were made. The only change that we have made today is adding in the information. So you'll notice it's all green and says added. If things are deleted or changed, deleted will be red and changed will be yellow. Now you'll see the schedule workbooks live here, and your insured can go in and review.